You own a 998 Turbo and are tired of the messy oil change? Precision EFI present to you the all-new 998 Turbo Easy Oil Change. Made from CNC aluminum, the Easy Oil Change allows to drain the motor oil of the engine compartment in a few minutes, easily without spilling the oil everywhere. With its unique design, the Easy Oil Change have an additional O-ring fail-safe cover for your peace of mind. Let me show you how easy the maintenance will be. Once the floorboard stopper plate is removed, unscrew with the same T25 Torx the fail-safe cap.
Then insert the supplied hose and adapter.
Unscrew the inner plug by 1 1/4 turn to drain oil from the engine compartment.
The device drain hose is designed to work without you holding it in place while draining.
Once empty, tighten the inner plug by hand. Remove the drain hose and wipe off the oil residue to have a clean plug. Once cleaned, insert the Easy Oil Changed fail-safe cap back in place. Now that your oil change is finished, put back your floorboard stopper plate and voila! You have complete your oil changes without any mess. Ease your workload now with the PEFI Easy Oil Change at one of our dealers or at precisionefi.com.